Former DGP Doungel posted as OSD Home. New DGP appointed. The Governor of Manipur appointed Rajiv Singh IPS as the new DGP of Manipur. News in details. The government on Thursday created a new post OSD Home and shifted DGP Doungel to the new post and appointed Rajiv Singh, replacing the former as the new Director General Police Manipur and Head of Police Force Manipur. The government issued the new transfer and posting order on Thursday, even as the state is struggling to control the crisis that was worsened since the eruption of ethnic violence in the state on May 3-4. Rajiv Singh IPS 1993 will take charge as DGP Manipur immediately upon joining the state government as per the order issued by the government of Manipur.